My name is Bisaya.
Bisaya what?
Bisaya Monday.
How old are you?
I'll be 18 this year.
This year, okay. So what did you do? Say it in Yoruba. So Yoruba, kí ló ṣe? What did you do? Kí ló ṣe? You're not the Gary. I'm not the Gary. 1 year old boy. Báwo ló ṣe ṣe? I couldn't sleep, so I turned on the CCTV yesterday, midnight, because my spirit was not just resting. So I was like, let me even turn on this, CCTV and see how this girl takes care of my son, because she's actually really good with them. Before I get back from work, she will have given them a bath, they will have eaten, Something just told me, check this CCTV. This girl removed my son's diaper and raised up her dress and lay down on top of him. A 1-year-old boy. He literally just turned 1. She just started working with me 2 months ago. She performed all kind of styles with a 1-year-old. So mothers, please beware. This girl is so good. I hardly complain. She is very good with the children. Even with the house, I hardly fight with her. I hardly complain. Please, mothers, beware of these people. Beware.